Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I would like to deal at some length, if not at great length, with the feeder to defense. I mean defense production. Stop. I am happy that the minister in charge of defense production is here. Stop. The defense production department today is not properly mobilized for the production. Their form is not commensurate with the investment. Stop. I cannot be contradicted on this. Stop. I am on firm grounds when I am making that accusation against the government. Stop. Sir, government's vigilance on these units is very poor. Stop. If these units are successfully to function, I will suggest the defense rules and regulations to be made applicable to these defense production units. Paramilitary discipline should be made obligatory in all the defense production departments, particularly factories, and ordinary labor laws should not be made applicable to these units. Stop. If the responsibility of the workers is not properly harnessed and the secrets are leaked out, it will result in a national calamity. Stop. I will again illustrate this point with one example. Stop. I am happy I am bringing this to the notice of this house. Stop. The defense minister knows that lot of human hand work should be employed there, and so they have a margin of 10% for human error. Stop. But what is surprising is that thefts are taking place in defense production units. Stop. Therefore, I say that paramilitary discipline should be brought in defense production units. Stop. Sir, in the past, we depended on other countries for technical know how, but now we are depending solely on Soviet Russia. Stop. I am grateful to the Soviet Union that they have helped us with particular reference to defense, but I do not like our country to be entirely dependent on one country. Stop. It must be seen that in the international affairs there are no permanent friends. Stop. But even at present, we seem to be on the outer periphery of the Warsaw Pact powers in many matters because of our allegiance to the Soviet Union, when it is necessary for us to be really non aligned and not to reduce our independence, but to see that we do not rely on one benefactor, viz., the Soviet Union. Stop. If you depend upon yourself, I have no objection, but depending upon one country is the wrong policy of the government. Stop. There is one more thing about coastline defense. Stop. The inordinate delay in setting up radar equipment and radar observation centers all over India to watch the 2000-mile long coastline has harmed our defense. Stop. Let us learn a lesson from Japan and the United States of America, who have lengthy coastline defense system. Stop. We can take out some lesson from them with advantage and work out for our own defense strategy. In this connection, I would lay a charge upon the government again, whether it is the Defense Ministry or the Civil Aviation Ministry. Stop. I would like the Defense Minister to look into it and take up the matter with the Defense Production Ministry without delay. Stop.